Hey guys, how's it going? It's Corey from Corey Survival, and I just caught my limit today fishing. I was using just some jerk baits over at Canyon Lake, and I will for sure show you a video on how to use those. That was insane. It was insane how many fish I slayed. I caught, a decent brown here. It's another decent brown. Beautiful fish. Here's a rainbow here. Chunky, chunky. And this is the smallest one I caught. There we go. But yeah, today I'm just gonna show you how to gut a fish, clean it, and get it ready so you can cook it and eat it whenever you want. I'm just letting you know this does get bloody, so if you do not like watching dead animals and stuff like that, just turn off the video. You're gonna see a lot of guts and stuff. So I'll get started. What you're pretty much just gonna need is normally what I do is I'll plug the drain, put a bag down here, and then I've got another bag here for all of your waste. And you get yourself any knife. Just got this nice fillet knife that was my grandpa's. And all you gotta do is just grab a fish. And you wanna start down here in the anal hole here. Your butt. And then the butt. You pretty much just want to cut in there. And you just keep working up. I might need a different knife. This one's pretty dull. And then once you get up there, make sure it's cut, all the way through. And what I do is I just see all these gills, how it's all grouped up here. I just grab that and pull it away like that. So it's just separated from the head. Now you can see where the gills are attached to the spine. You just want to keep on wiggling your finger back there until it detaches, which it's very easy. And then you'll notice that there's a slight hole back there. See? It's a slight hole next to the spinal cord. You stick your whole hand down that hole, or your finger, and then you just pull and everything comes out. And it's easy as that. The only thing left you have to do is just get rid of this blood vein in here. And how I do that normally is I just take my thumb, get it down as close as I can, and just work my way up there. Like that. And grab everything else, throw it away. Kind of get all of that out of there. And I told you, it is a bloody process. Okay, now, you can leave the head on if you want. I normally take it off. Makes it easier to cook. You just bend back, twist, and pull. That is it. And that is how I clean my fish. Turn on the water here. Rinse your hands off real quick. Rinse the fish off. They're all nice and clean. And you got fresh meat right there. Ba-bam. That's pretty much how you gut a fish. You just toss that down there. And we'll try one of these bigger ones here. Actually, we'll do this guy. Now, sometimes you will notice that they will stiffen up. If that happens, just kind of bend them straight. And then you just do the same process. Just go all the way up the belly. Okay. Reach in here, grab all of his gills. Pull. And then go in the back here. Now this one's a brown trout. Brown trout are a little bit thicker than rainbow. Rainbow trout are pretty easy, but they work about the same. Pretty much the same. So see how I got that hole back there? Like I did, just separated it from the spine. And the same thing as the rainbow. Stick your finger in there, and all of it comes out. Just like that. And then, same thing. Sometimes if you can't get it, you stick your knife in there and cut along that there. Makes it a little bit easier so you can scoop all that out. And then just grab his head, bend it back, twist, and then you just rinse them off. Sometimes if you don't like that blood in there, you just take your knife and scrape it along down here like this, and it kind of cuts up that spine a little bit so you can rinse it up just a little bit better. Now it won't hurt you to eat this stuff. It just makes the meat look cleaner. But that there, you guys, is how you clean and gut a fish. All you got to do is just literally throw some seasonings on there and whatever you want, whatever you like on fish, and wrap them in some tin foil or just throw them on a pan, or yeah, that's pretty much what you do. So Corey Survival. If you like this video, or if you want to see any other videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. I show a lot of cool outdoor survival tips and tricks. I'm also a great fisherman. Show you pretty much anything on fishing. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'm Corey from Corey Survival. Keep living, guys.